camera a little bit. Yeah, yeah, I don't like the doors being slammed. Dumbass. So fucking. The flip is. Yeah, he's a bad driver. He almost fucking. This retard almost hit me yesterday from behind me. Fucking retard. Right here. It's about to be on camera in a second. Okay. There we go. Less. No, as far as it goes, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Go away, fucking dumbass, and fucking watch me. I don't like being watched.
In helping people and businesses solve this. You can have
Damn, I don't like when people watch what I'm doing. That's fucking creepy. Get the fuck away from me. Damn.
Don't know how to account for crypto? Don't have the money to pay your taxes? No problem. We'll get all the records that the government has on you. We can help you with your back and future accounting or just do it for you. And if you're unable to pay your taxes, we'll explain all of your various options and then we'll negotiate the best option for you. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888 tax deal. That's 888 TAXDEAL. 888 tax deal or MoskowitzLLP.com. MOS AOW ITZ LLP.com.
Job is for someone with autism. Programmer. Teacher.
WIN by Autism helps businesses lead the way in inclusive hiring.
How about a healthcare worker?
Go to
Man, go away, fucking bitch.
autism.org/win.
Stop fucking watching me. Damn, fucking watching my moves. I don't like that fucking bitch. Go away! Damn, stop fucking watching me. Damn, fucking bitch. Fucking watching. Fucking think. Go away. Step away, dumbass. Fucking dumbass watching me. Fucking creep.
First hour. Here's part of our conversation, of course, foreign policy focus with KT McFarland. From an America First perspective, KT, why is the Israeli alliance really crucial to
Go away,
us on
fucking
our side?
retard. Damn, stop fucking watching me.
Damn,
fucking asshole. Watching my every fucking move. Fucking creep.
Why do I say
I'm
that?
surprised it's not
Israel-
pedophile because he behaves like one.
Disappeared tomorrow off the face of
Creep.
the earth. Well, who's in charge of the Middle East? Iran is in charge of the Middle East. Iran, who the Biden administration has enriched because of Biden's policies, not only of pandering to Iran, but not enforcing the sanctions. He's allowing Iran to sell oil. Trump didn't allow them to sell oil. Biden has arranged for Iran to have billions of dollars worth of revenues that Trump has frozen. And then particularly because of Biden's energy policies, which drives the price of oil sky high, that enriches Iran. What is Iran doing with this probably $100 billion that Biden has let them have? They're making war. And they're not going to stop until they control the entire Middle East. So from an America First, what's in it for us? How are we affected? I think American national security is in danger if you have Iran in the Middle East, in charge of the Middle East, and a nuclear Iran in the Middle East. So if, in a roundabout way, now maybe it's not, Iran isn't going to fire those missiles at the United States, But anybody who's turning deaf to America, you know, believe dictators. One thing I've learned in 50 years in this line of work, don't believe politicians. I'll tell you anything, right? They need to get elected. Look at Joe Biden. Believe the dictators because they don't care about public opinion. They're telling you right straight to your face what they're intending to do. And deaf to America is a
Yeah, Matt, that's such an important point. I would also note on that point,
Right here was a bathroom too, like in use, so hopefully. Yeah, need to use the bathroom so bad.
they've been able to set back the Iranian regime and their nuclear program on numerous
This is a
occasions.
stupid parking lot. I
These
don't like
launches are
this.
documented in a
It's freaking
brazen,
weird.
amazing raid that they pulled off. The Stuxnet bug that they were able to use to infect the nuclear program in Iran. Some certain bombings, and there was, of course, a targeted strike against an Iranian leader in Syria not long ago. Was that last week? The Israelis, maybe that's a roundabout way of saying the Israelis use some of the really tough, sort of dirty hands stuff that the U.S.
Perfect.